Nigeria, the giant of Africa, is a nation steeped in a rich and complex history, a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of kingdoms, empires, cultures, and struggles. Its story is as diverse as its people, as enduring as its land. Long before the arrival of Europeans, Nigeria was a mosaic of powerful kingdoms. In the heartland, the Nok civilization flourished, leaving behind enigmatic terracotta sculptures that hint at a sophisticated society. The Benin Kingdom, with its bronze masterpieces and intricate city planning, stood as a testament to African ingenuity. In the east, the Igbo people developed a complex social structure without a centralized monarchy, a model of democratic governance centuries before its western counterpart. The Hausa kingdoms, with their Islamic faith and trade networks, connected the region to the wider world. These kingdoms were not isolated entities. They interacted, traded, and sometimes clashed, shaping the cultural and political landscape of the region. The 19th century marked a turning point. European powers, driven by the quest for resources and territorial expansion, cast their long shadows over Africa. Nigeria, with its strategic location and abundant resources, became a prime target. The British, through diplomacy, military force, and administrative acumen, established control over the region, amalgamating diverse territories into the colony and protectorate of Nigeria. British rule brought both challenges and opportunities. Infrastructure developed, education expanded, and the seeds of modern Nigeria were sown. However, the colonial era also witnessed exploitation, suppression of local cultures, and the imposition of foreign systems of governance. The spirit of nationalism ignited among Nigerians. Leaders like Nnamdi Azikiwe, Obafemi Awolowo, and Ahmadu Bello emerged as the torchbearers of independence. The struggle was fraught with challenges, including regional divisions, ethnic tensions, and the complexities of decolonization. Finally, on October 1, 1960, Nigeria gained independence. The nation erupted in jubilation, a moment of hope and promise. But the challenges were immense. The euphoria was soon tempered by the realities of nation building, economic development, and political stability. The early years of independence were marked by optimism, but cracks soon appeared in the foundation. Regional disparities, ethnic tensions, and political rivalries culminated in the Nigerian Civil War, 1967 to 1970, a conflict that pitted the Igbo-dominated Biafra against the Nigerian federal government. The war was a crucible of suffering, but it also forged a resilient national spirit. Reconstruction was a daunting task. The nation had to rebuild its economy, heal its wounds, and reconcile its divisions. The oil boom of the 1970s provided a windfall, but it was also a double-edged sword. While it fueled economic growth, it also led to corruption, inequality, and environmental degradation. Nigeria's journey towards democracy has been fraught with setbacks. Military coups interrupted civilian rule, and the transition to democratic governance has been gradual and often turbulent. Corruption, insecurity, and underdevelopment remain persistent challenges. Yet, Nigeria's resilience is undeniable. Its people, with their indomitable spirit, have weathered storms and emerged stronger. The nation's cultural and linguistic diversity is a source of both richness and complexity. Its youthful population is a demographic dividend with the potential to drive innovation and economic growth. Nigeria's history is a complex and multifaceted narrative, a story of kingdoms and empires, of colonial conquest and independence, of war and peace, of hope and despair. It is a story that is still being written, a story of a nation striving to fulfill its immense potential.